In this video, we will present to you the feature calendar hierarchy in manufacturing. With calendar hierarchy in manufacturing, you can easily set different levels and relationships between the calendars of the company, manufacturing departments, lines, resources, and positions. Let's take an example of a company where manufacturing consists of several lines: tailoring, cutting, and sewing. Line calendars are subordinated to the main manufacturing calendar and have the same hours of work. With the drag and drop option, you can arrange these calendars as subordinate manufacturing calendars, make a visual distinction, and organize them onto an appropriate level. Then, add another line to manufacturing lines. Add the ironing line. It has a different calendar and different hours of work than other manufacturing lines, so you can leave it on a separate level. Using calendar hierarchy and its visualization, it is easier to control the hours of work in the calendars and organize them on appropriate levels. Thank you for your attention. For further help or advice, please refer to our consultants.